Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and I got my Got Wood shirt on today, so I'm out looking at rotten wood. And this log home behind me here was built about 20 years ago, and it's actually got log siding on it, and it's held up pretty good considering it's been stained twice in that time. So anyway, let's take a quick tour of the project, if you will. The overhangs weren't really designed the way I would design them and make them a little bigger for protection of the logs, but it's held up pretty good. We got a little bad spot over the top of the door there. You got some area around this light fixture that need to be replaced. This side faces due west, and it really is taking a beating up there. And that gable, they're pretty bad. But a remarkable amount of good finish left on it, so we have to scrape off the bad stuff and recoat it with at least one coat, because I think there's 2 or 3 on it, so in order to get the color to match we'll have to do that, and then one top coat on the whole works, and we'll see how it looks. There's a bad spot in that curved trim log over the top of that window. And over here, this one's pretty good, but there's a bad piece of siding next to the curved chunk, which is going to need to be replaced. Thank goodness he's got a bunch of old scraps from when it was originally built, and all of it was pre-finished. These shrubs gotta get trimmed back here quite a bit. This side here hardly gets any sun, and it's pretty decent shape. Then again, as we get around this corner here, you start to see the UV damage on this side. Well, anyway, we're back to where we started, and we've got a garage here that's 48 by 48 and darn near as big as the house. This side here's got a bad log over here. A couple other places where it's deteriorated pretty bad, but this will need to be scraped and spot stained, as I call it. Yeah, we got another bad spot there, and one there, and one there. So anyhow, we'll have to cut those areas out, as well as this one down here, this one, this splice over here has to get cut back. Top 3 courses look pretty good, but the rest of it's pretty weather beaten. The bottom of this corner post and 2 others will need to be replaced. This one maybe only 1.5 feet. But we got more siding repair. There's looks like about a 3-footer. There's a 16-incher. I'm assuming the studs are 16 inches on center here, so we'll have to at least replace that much. Yeah, here it's nailed, here's it's nailed. So yeah, there's 16 inches on center. This one here's got a bad corner post. So we have to find some logs like that to repair the bottom of the corners. He does not have any of those guys left. And this takes us back to where we started. So anyhow, I think we just got it barely enough time to get this one done this year, which will be kind of fun. The owner here was college professor that I had at Mankato State College about 40 years ago. So anyhow, it was nice talking to him and seeing him again. Take care, folks.